You are not lazy. You are simply overwhelmed by cheap dopamine. Every scroll and every notification is a shock to your brain's delicate system. This constant stimulation makes difficult work feel impossible. It is time to reclaim your focus and take back control of your life right now. Watch as your brain's reward center glows red with every alert. This is the addiction loop that is keeping you from reaching your true potential. This is not just a habit, it is a neurological hijack. We are going to reset your brain and rebuild your productivity from the ground up. Welcome to the Dopamine Reset, a 5-step scientific protocol designed to clear the noise and sharpen your mind for absolute and total concentration. Step 1 is to identify the toxins. Look at your screen time and name the 3 specific apps that steal most of your precious attention. Step 2 is the digital white space. Lock your phone away. Physical distance is the only way to break the immediate cycle of digital craving. Your dopamine levels will drop and it will feel uncomfortable. This discomfort is the sound of your brain finally starting to heal itself properly. Do not touch a screen for 2 hours after waking up. Do not let the world program your mind before you even have a chance. Master your environment to master your mind. By removing the triggers, you create a sanctuary where real work and deep thinking can finally happen. Step 3 is about restructuring your reward system. The rule is simple. There is no dopamine hit without significant effort and real personal growth. Shift your focus to long-term gains. Real satisfaction comes from finishing the hard tasks, not from scrolling through endless feeds of meaningless digital content. Only allow yourself to enjoy entertainment after you have completed your 3 major priorities for the day. Earn your relaxation through your hard work. Teach your brain that rewards must be traded for focus. This discipline creates a powerful association between effort and the feeling of genuine accomplishment. When you delay gratification, you build a stronger mind. You become the master of your impulses rather than a slave to your immediate desires. Step 4 is biological optimization. Your productivity depends on your biology. If your system is broken, your output will always be low and sluggish. Get 10 minutes of natural sunlight every single morning. This simple act balances your cortisol and sets your internal clock for the entire day. Avoid blue light before bed. It destroys your melatonin and ruins your sleep quality, making you feel exhausted and distracted the very next morning. Control your environment by lowering the room temperature to 18 degrees at night. Better sleep is the foundation of a high-performance brain and body. Fix your biological operating system before you even touch your keyboard. A healthy body provides the energy required for intense, uninterrupted mental focus. Step 5 is to embrace active boredom. In a world of constant noise, the ability to sit still is a superpower that few people possess. Boredom is actually the fertile ground where great ideas are born. When you stop running to your phone, your brain starts creating its own. Practice 10 minutes of doing absolutely nothing every day. Just observe your thoughts as they pass. This is where your true creativity lives. Silence is the ultimate tool for focus. By choosing to be bored, you are choosing to let your mind settle and find its natural rhythm. Observe the internal chatter without reacting to it. This mental training prepares you to handle the most difficult task without seeking an easy escape. The most successful people in the world are those who can tolerate being alone with their own thoughts. Discipline starts in the moments of stillness. The science is clear and the roadmap is ready. The only thing standing between you and your goals is the decision to take action today. Will you continue to scroll and waste your potential, or will you start your reset right now? The choice is entirely in your hands. Are you ready to change your life? Comment "I am ready" if you commit to following this roadmap and reclaiming your focus tonight. Your new life starts the moment this video ends. Put down the phone, walk away, and begin the work. You have everything you need.